Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block countries in Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the bottom left corner, click on Settings to open your store configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, select Shipping and Delivery. This section controls where and how your products can be shipped. Next, look for the Shipping Profiles area. Open the shipping profile that is currently active for your store. Once it opens, scroll to the Shipping Zones section. Shipping zones define the countries and regions where customers are allowed to place orders. Now click on Edit next to the shipping zone you want to adjust. You will see a list of countries included in that zone. Carefully review the list and uncheck the countries you want to block. Removing a country here prevents customers from that location from completing purchases. After making your changes, click Save to apply them. Saving is important to ensure your updated settings take effect. You can return to these settings anytime to manage or change your countries as your business expands or policies change. So, that's basically how you can block countries in Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.